Didn't blink.
I want to see, Daddy. Maxie, I want to see. I want to see.
Give me a minute.
She's excited.
Chill out.
She never seen nothing like that before.
You gonna hold it one more time? Get your hair out your face.
Well, she's seen out of Miranda's little
He's got a
girl.
lot of hair.
Yeah. The one thing that's crooked.
Don't touch his face. Yeah. And go this way. It's your daddy, so he can take a picture of you.
Video.
Better smile.
You can go over there and stand by Amy.
Who?
You'll be in there in the video.
Daddy probably wants to hold him before he takes you, girls. Well, it's his skin. You have to be easy with his arms and stuff. You can't just jerk him. You have to be very easy with him.
Move so I know it.
Quit.
That's it. Close. So leave him alone.
He's got the same number me and your daddy has. Here. Sit. Sit down. You need a picture.
You need a picture?
I don't have my camera.
It is. Oh, I can't pull it back over.
You want to sit over here, John?
Get my camera and take a picture.
Where is it?
You can't read that even up fine.
It is?
Oh, don't jerk it. Don't
We'll get a
let it
picture of
fall.
them.
No, Angeline.
I want to take a picture. I want to take a picture.
Why don't you sit on the bed, John? Watch out, Angeline. They don't know how to act.
No.
Ready? Wait, I'm gonna let Ruby do it.
1, 2, 3.
Here.
I want to do that. Can I do it?
Wait.
I
Hold on.
want to see.
Let you sit right beside me.
Can I do it?
Okay, ready?
Look at
He's
him.
yawning. Hold on.
Oh,
1, 2.
scrunching his face up that time.
1, 2.
Angeline, move out of the picture. 1, 2. You're just excited, huh?
Yeah, she's excited.
Go, girl.
Your daddy sit right here beside you.
Angeline.
Here.